Well, it's absolutely peeing it down outside today, and I thought it'd be a good time to try out my new exhaust. So let's take a look at it first of all. Here it is on the bike. It actually looks tiny when you see it on the bike. It doesn't look big at all. It's the Akrapovic Megaphone Exhaust. Of course, now the bike's got the full decat kit on, so there's no catalytic converter. And this is what it sounds like. Let's have a listen. That is very loud indeed, and when that engine warms up I'm sure it'll sound great. Don't know what it comes like across on the camera, but I'm going to be out and about. If this rain stops, I'll probably go over to Route 59 later today and maybe even Squires tomorrow evening if you want to have a listen to it. But it is very, very loud indeed, the Akrapovic Megaphone Exhaust, my god.